This is 100 kg welding positioner FP100. So this is the pendant having potentiometer, forward, off, reverse, inch, stop, run, and you can see here VFD drive is here, MCB and RYB. This is main panel, and you can see this is the face plate having serration on the face plate and slots to clamp the job. Now we are going to start this. See, this is on the run position first, and now it will run on forward position. The face plate is rotating at 0.1 to 1 rpm. And we can tilt this also. You can see the position is tilting manually up to 0 to up to 90 degree. You can see this is tilting indicator here from 0 to 90 degree. Now we will run it. Stop. On reverse position. This will run on reverse position here. You can see the reverse position here. Stop and forward position. Now we will use on foot switch. Here is the foot switch here.